Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we'll be solving the Leetcode 1581 SQL question, that is customer who visited but did not make any transactions. So they've given a two tables. One is a visit table which has a column names of visit ID and customer ID. So this table contains information about the customers who visited the mall. Okay. And the next table is a transaction table, which has a three columns: transaction ID, visit ID, and the amount. So this table contains information about the transaction made during the visit ID. Okay. So the thing is that we have to write a solution to find the IDs of the users who visited without making, means who came to the mall but did not make any transactions, and the number of times they made this types of visits. Means we have to get the count they made but did not make any transaction. Okay. So the result is sorted in any order. So order is not defined. So you can see the input, for example. So these are the first table is that it states that this table contains information about the customers who visited the mall. Okay. So these are the table about the customers who visited the mall. So this is the table who customers who visited the mall. So second table is that this table contains the information about the transactions. So for this particular visit ID, what is the amount they have made? What are the transactions? Okay. So the output should exactly look like this. So as I told you that we should get the count. Okay. So count the customers who made visit to the mall but did not make any transactions. So if you see this example, for example, 54 customer ID, the visit ID is 5. Okay. So uh, 54 is there, three here, 354s are there. Okay, customer ID 354 is there. So this visit ID, I mean, the see both visit ID is common here. I mean, it is referring. I mean, first in the visit table also there is a visit ID, and the transaction also there is a visit ID. Okay, so this visit ID is unique here. I mean, in the visit table it isn't unique. See, 5 visit ID, the customer ID is 54. So 5 came 3 times here. You can see here 5 came 3 times. But you can see the visit ID is 5. But 54 customer ID is also there in the visit ID of 7 and 8. So 54, so 7 and 8 did not come here. It did not, they came but did not make any transaction. So the number of the count is 2. And the customer ID 30, 4, you cannot see 4 also in the visit ID. So they have given 30, so one time. Okay, there is no over 30, it's appearing twice. And customer ID also 96. So 96 also right here, you can see the corresponding visit ID is 6, but nowhere in the transaction table. So like this you have to return, so you have to write a query for that. So let us first let us understand and write a query, and then we'll see if it is right or wrong. Okay, so we will select. So what we have to display, you have to see the output table. You have to display the customer ID and the number of transaction. First select customer ID, customer ID, select the customer ID from visits, select the customer ID from visits, join. I'm joining the transactions. I'll take some alias name. Okay, visits V, select select customer ID from visit V, join transaction T on V dot. So what is the ID right here? V dot visit, V dot visit, V dot visit ID is equal to T dot visit ID. Okay. So if you do this, you will get the customer only. You will get the which column you will get, only you will get the customer ID. But we have to get customer ID and the number of transactions. So what you will do, we will do the left join. What does the left join means? All the matching rows, it will take all the, I mean all the things from the left table and the matchings from the right table. Okay, so left join transaction on this we are doing. And So customer ID and where. So v dot visit id should be null, t dot visit id should be null here. See, whichever the visit id is null, for example, see here, where t dot visit id is null, okay, where t dot visit id is null, then you will get that what you will get, customer id, which is a customer id, for example, 23, 23, can we see here 23 1, it's, yes, it's there, so it won't come, it won't show up. So is 9, 9 visit id is 2, 2 is also there, 30, 9 is also there, 30, 30 it's not there, the visit id 4 is not there, so it will show null. Next, this is just an example I'm writing, and 30 customer id is 54, 54 also 5, 5 it is coming, so it's not null. Next to 96, so 96, what is a visit id, it is 6, 6 is not there in the transaction table, so it will show as a null. Again 54 is also null because 7 is not there, the same way it is not, it is null. Okay, so this will come up. So what we have to find, we have to find the number. So 54, 54, two customers made. How many transaction is null? They came, they visited, but the transaction is null is 2. So we have to return count. So what we have to do, that select the customer ID, comma, count customer ID, select customer ID, count customer ID from visits v. So since we are using the count, we have to group, we have to use group by customer ID. Okay, so let me remove this. I hope it's clear. So let me run it. So let me run and check it once. Uh, Something the output is showing as a wrong. Expected is this. Uh, yeah. So alias name count as, let us give, because here specifically they've mentioned, okay, count number of transactions, okay, as count number of trans. Okay, so let me run it. Yeah, it's done. So see, you can see expected also the same and the output is also same. So let me submit. Yeah. So thank you for watching my channel. So if you're new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe.